go. We got a call about a leaking faucet in the kitchen. Okay, so we're here. First thing you do, obviously, is you're going to open these up. You never know what you're going to find. All right. Be nice if some customers had it clean. This isn't bad at all, or cleared out for you. Let's see what we have down here. It looks like we got some tape going on. So let me grab. Where is it? Grab the trusty light from Home Depot. Okay. And there we go. Oh yeah, look at that. It must have had a leak at one time. Yeah, plastic into metal, plastic into metal again. And this house has a well, so the metal doesn't last long. It just rots, really rots quick. So we're gonna replace the whole thing with plastic. I'm gonna clear this out, move this stuff aside, and we'll take it from there. All right, so it's cleared out. What we have here, let's get the light in. Let's put this thing up here like this, if you can see it. I'm using this tripod for the phone. We'll see how it works out. We'll grab the light. Okay. All right, so we have our connection here. It looks like an extension piece to make it down here to the trap. Obviously over on this side here, this is the dishwasher connection. So we're going to disconnect that. I'm going to take it off from here all the way back, and we're going to remove it all. And then I got a bunch of parts here. What I did was I keep all this extra stock on the truck, in the trailer, so in case whatever type of job comes up, it's always good to have all these extra parts. So if you look here, I got a bunch of extra. These things they're cheap. You get this for like $4, another $3. I get a bunch of them. I keep them in a box in the trailer for jobs like this, so I don't have to go back and forth. All right. Stay tuned. Let me remove all this. I'm gonna take a knife and remove that tape, or maybe just take it off from the top and the bottom and remove that whole one piece. I just have to remove the connection there for the dishwasher. All right. And we will put all these parts together one at a time and reinstall it. All right, here we go. So let me get in. You know what? It's always a good idea, if you have them on hand, put on rubber gloves. You know, keep a few of them on hand if in your bag. You never know what you're going to touch or come encountered with, you know. So we're going to get up here. Going to remove, before you start removing the pipes, clear the base out a little bit. And what I like to do, one of these are laying around, they're old. I keep a few in the trailer. Keep that on the base just to catch some of the water if anything comes out. So you want to loosen the dishwasher drain line. It's usually held on by a clamp. You want to loosen the clamp up. Slide this thing back, and then just twist this guy off. All right, no water. Put them aside, put them back here behind these lines. Okay, and now what we're going to do now is you're going to loosen it here, and then you're going to loosen it down on the end. It should come right out. So we'll take this off here. And it should pull out. There you go. Ooh, all right. So we got some water. Good thing we had this little Tupperware. Okay. Empty that out. We're going to get rid of this. Okay. Keep a garbage pail in there. And the first thing I want to do is I just want to inspect the drain. Okay, the drain line. I'm going to clean it, wipe it out real quick, and then we're going to start building our parts back up to reattach it. You also want to, while you have this open, I have the wrench for this. I'm going to make sure that this is tight. We'll give it a nice snug tight. Make sure that we don't have any leaks there. And that's it. So stay tuned. start putting these things together and we'll start reattaching it. After inspecting this here, it was loose. So make sure if you don't have one, or if you're not doing it that much, you don't need it. But if you're doing these, grab one of these guys. The Husky, the multi-tool up here. It fits, it locks in place. All right. So then you put your tool under here to hold this and you tighten it. So that's good. We got that tight. Now we're gonna start working on the rest of this here. Got a few more pieces to put together and we'll see how we make out in a minute here. All right, there it is. It's nice and tight. I got the dishwasher connection right there, so it's out of the way. It's not sticking to the right. It's kind of hidden, so when the garbage goes back in, it'll be fine. And what you want to do is obviously you want to test it. Put on that water, let it run. Look all around for leaks. Okay. Don't see anything. Next thing you want to do is fill the sink up. Take a look at the bottom of the drain there. No leaks. Let it sit. Okay. I don't see anything. All right. And then we're going to just pull it. Okay. So that's it. That is a drain repair. We're all complete. Again, thanks for watching. Comment, share, like, you know what to do. All right, this is your basic drain replacement. Take care, have a nice day. We'll catch you on the next one.